This is going to be my first ever mukbang. The mukbang, I watch you guys do it. C-Loss eats. He does all mukbangs. Watch out, baby. Watch out. Sorry, my knee's messed up. Watch out, Kona. I don't need your help, buddy. No, go on. Go on. Okay, I have some Japanese food, some vegetable spring rolls, and I have some Kona. Can you see this dog? Ah, get out of here. No, don't lick my food. Go on, go on. Go. And some sushi. Get this open. All the problems I have with containers. Go on. Go. Stubborn dog. There we go. Okay. You better go. I'm going to give you some of that hot green stuff. Go on. No. Go. Down. Now that stuff they put here, like this stuff, like that's nothing like jalapenos or dried peppers. That stuff is really hot. Japanese have the market on the hot stuff. Okay, so we'll grab up a sushi and dip it in here. It's fresh. You have to excuse Kona. He's on steroids and it makes him very hungry and very thirsty. He's always been stubborn though. I don't know why people like to watch people eat. I wonder who was the first person that did it. Anyone know the origin of the word mukbang? Is that a Korean word? This is the vegetable spring roll. It's a lot smaller in diameter than like what you'd get at a Chinese restaurant. Huh. Nice finger food. Tapas, hors d'oeuvres. I think every culture has, like the burrito is for Mexican, and then they have the little rolls for the Japanese, and then of course egg rolls, spring rolls, Chinese. I think every culture has something wrapped up in bread or dough. Lumpia in the Philippines, same concept. nice because it's all vegetables. Guess am I supposed to look at the camera? My hair looks crazy. After menopause, your hair changes. The texture of your hair. I used to have beautiful head of hair. I had hair down past my bra straps. I had beautiful hair. Even the hairdressers complimented my hair. I think when women go in menopause and their hair changes and gets all dry. That's why women cut it short, because you can't do anything with your hair. It's not like we all went butch at the same time. It's just your hair doesn't do anything. Some women still have shoulder length hair after 50, and they can, they can pull it off. Good for them. But my hair became very dry and been eating my yogurt. I bought some of that Activia yogurt. I want my probiotics. Great. It's probably one of those stupid phone calls. Hello? I wish they could make it, all the spam phone calls stop. All those calls, they don't give you an option to opt out, like press 1 to speak to a representative and you wait for them to say press 9 to not receive further phone call. Doesn't matter. You can press 9 like 15 times. Spectrum is the worst. I'll put you right. Spectrum is the frickin' worst spam phone callers right now. I got to where I didn't even answer my phone because it was always Spectrum. I'll never give them my business. Talked to the nurse today. Explained how swollen my knee was, how the cartilage had already torn on my knee and had already been surgically, orthoscopically removed. And I was like, would you please advocate for me to the doctor? I'm not asking him for pain medicine. I want him to treat the problem that's causing me pain. My knee is swollen. I measured my right above my knee, and then my left leg is like an inch and a half bigger. Got a big ball of fluid in the back of my knee. Freaking hurt anytime I stand on it. Pain. Take a step. Good leg, bad leg. Good leg, bad leg. Hurts so bad. Even now when I get off my leg and lay down and put my legs at heart level, it like throbs and hurts. I don't particularly look forward to a knee replacement. I saw my mother go through a knee replacement and then a hip replacement. My sister just went through a hip replacement. I don't want to go through that. But you can't lay in bed or you can't sit in a chair all day either, you know. You have to walk on it. I sound like an old woman. Feel free to thumbs down this video. Sorry, I should have kept the conversation cheerful and happy. I just ate my food. I don't know why mukbang is popular. I mean, if somebody's eating something really unusual, like the Japanese mukbang, where the girl, she has like a little China face. Well, she's Japanese, so she doesn't have a China face. She has like a little doll face, like porcelain. And she takes these really weird looking creatures from the ocean, you know, and they got like shells and things hanging from. She dips it, and it's like, that is amazing. And you know, people come over here to America and they're like, they look at like a super taco or something. They're like, how do you eat that? You know, what do you, like, well, you stick your fork in there and you kind of stick your knife in there and you shovel it up to your face. They don't know, you know. So, everybody's food is different and kind of the same. Yeah, your spring rolls are gone. Those are good. They didn't put seaweed on this. Oh, is it on the inside? Usually the outside is wrapped. I guess somebody else made it. That's a big bite. This is good because you got rice, seaweed, all the green vegetables. Not eating like an American. I'm going to eat like another culture so that I can get my gut in good shape. Oops. of a rice cooker. I think if I keep eating the Activia yogurt, stick to fruit and vegetables, stay away from meat, and stay away from animal protein, or maybe a scrambled egg. I really like scrambled eggs. It's a lot of food. Oh, there's a cardinal. Except the red up here. I've got 2 bird feeders right outside this window. I have beautiful bird songs. I hear them in the morning, the birds tweeting. It's really nice. I don't really want any more food.